Hey crafty peeps, it's Tracy. I am back with my final, I promise, crafty haul from Black Friday. This is from Concord and 9th. And while technically it was the last order I placed, it was only by like a couple hours. But anyways, it just came in today. So let's see what I got. All right. This was the free paper pack from using Jennifer McGuire's code, I believe. It's a sampling of their different colored cardstock. Oh yeah, look at that. Got some really nice colors here. Some different pinks, yellow, little light green there, darker green. Those are nice blues. Not too into purple, but every once in a while, that's a great assortment there. That was one of the free gifts. I got Rainforest. This, wow, looks absolutely nothing like the swatch on both my phone and my monitor. This almost looks black. It was supposed to be a deep green, which I guess technically this is, but wow, yeah, that is a completely different color than I thought it would be. So this was my free pack using the Color Club code. You got one free 12 sheet pack of any one color of your choice. I also picked up this 2024 color collection to test out. Here's another Rainforest. I don't have any of Concord and 9th's cardstock, so I thought this was a great way to test it out. Looks like green, blue, and then that darker green there. So that's all the paper that I got. I picked up the Vertical Thanks and Hello dies. I watched Jen use them in her video and thought they were pretty awesome. I also grabbed this smaller 'Tis the Season die from Christina Warner, although it's been weeks and my cards are mostly done. I picked up this big Pet Pals die set because if you watch Jen McGuire like I did, I thought her cards were adorable, and I like that it has cats and dogs, so I can use both. And you can customize them, which I thought was very cute. Just picked up that. And lastly, I got the Wishing You a Joyful Holiday. And this, let's see. Oh, I thought I picked up the dies for this. Oh, I'll have to go back to my order. That was the reason I got that set. This is the coordinating stamp set to go with this die. It's got some fun sentiments. Perfect and possum, so that's cute. And there is nothing left in my box here. What? Here we go. I knew I got the die. So I got the die to cut out these two bigger sentiments and this Joyful Holidays. Although, like I mentioned, most of my holiday cards have been made by now. I've done a lot in the last couple weeks, so but that's okay. I will use them next year. So this is my haul from Concord and 9th. And that should be it for quite a while because I am all craft spent out. I don't know about you.